Our today's topic is about fever. We will discuss all about fever. What is fever? Why it's happening? What are the complications of fever? How we can check the fever? Okay, so before starting, we should know what is fever. The fever is the increased body temperature more than 37 because the normal body temperature is 37 degree. So when it's elevated more than 37 degree, we call this person is having a fever. For adult, it's not a big problem, but for kids and toddler, when it's increased, it is giving an alarming situation that this person or this kid have some issue. There is a number of medications available in market for fever, but I recommend for adult not to take the medication unless it is intolerable, because the fever is a good thing and it is giving a very good boost to your body against any kind of infection. So in other words, fever increase your immune system. Okay, now we'll discuss how we will come to know that this person is having a fever. There is some sign and symptom of fever. The first of all, the sign is the body temperature is elevated when we will check. The symptoms are the patient may sweat, he or she is having a headache, muscle ache, body pain, and irritable, dehydration, a general weakness, or in children between 6 months to 5 years, they may have some seizures. Seizure means shakiness of the body. Now we will discuss about the cause of fever. The fever occurs when area in your brain which is called hypothalamus, also known as your body thermostat, shift set point of your body temperature up. It can be caused by any virus, bacteria, or heat exhausted. Sometimes it caused by any inflammatory conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and malignant tumor. Some medications such as antibiotic also cause fever. There is some vaccinations such as diphtheria, tetanus, cellular pertussis, and pneumococcal vaccines. These vaccines also cause fever. And sometimes the doctors are not able to identify the cause of fever because there is number of infections which cause fever. As I discussed in the start, the fever is not a problem by itself. It is showing that in your body there is something happened wrong. So this is alarm for any other problem. Now we should know how we can check the temperature. There are different devices available in market to check the temperature. 4 or 5 kind of thermometers, especially like I can say the oral thermometer, rectal thermometer, forehead thermometer, and ear thermometer. The most accurate is oral and rectal thermometer, but as it is difficult to use these thermometers, so everybody prefer to use forehead or ear thermometers. We can rely on these readings also. Now question arises when we should contact to doctor. It's depend on age because the children are having a more effects than adult are having a more toleration about disease. So younger than 3 months, we should contact doctor whenever body temperature reach on 38. The kids between 3 months to 6 months we should contact the doctors when body temperature is 38.9. Between 6 months to 24 months, we should ask for the doctor help when body temperature is 38.9 more than for 1 day, or child develop and other symptoms such as cough, diarrhea, cold, or any other symptoms. Now for the children, when they are irritable, they are having a vomiting, stomach pain, or any other symptoms, or having fever being left in hot car or fever more than 3 days, we should contact to the doctor. Now we will discuss about complication. The main complication of this disease is seizures. the seizure for the children age between 6 months to 5 years. What we should do if the child is having a seizure? First of all, we should put our child on a side, remove all sharp objects near to the child. If the child is wearing the tight clothes, lose it, or if you can remove it. Don't get panic at all, and hold your child to prevent the injuries. Do not place anything in the child mouth, because it can cause suffocation and it can give like breathing difficulty to your kid. Thank you so much. Hope you like my video. If you really like it, share with your friend to increase the information related to medical. Thank you so much.